I can only hope good just a girl who loves cat and Christmas gift Christmas shirt that. Like the Tulsa rally. They fail to come out for him at all. This is why you need to volunteer to work your polls. If you're a bigger dude and have the time and care for this country, do your part and volunteer at your polling place. Don't let anyone intimidate anyone into not voting. This is the most important election of our lifetime, and this country won't be the same come election night. This is what I'm doing. I'll be good just a girl who loves cat and Christmas gift Christmas shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt, and hoodie, sweatshirt, tank top, V-neck. So YMMV. The good just a girl who loves cat and Christmas gift Christmas shirts Republican Party. Or Trump? What's the difference, I guess? I hope everyone in the UK sleeps in so we can retain other products.